How to recover WhatsApp messages. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of WhatsApp application. Once you check that, launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, hit on the setting gear icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, go through the chats and tap on chat backup. If it is already backed up, then you are good to go. But if it is not, then simply tap on backup and wait until it finished its backup process. Once it is finished, your all of the messages will be backed up. And in this way, you can easily recover WhatsApp messages in seconds. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.